Hi everyone, I am here to share the February Potomac Beads treasure box. Now, I will admit to you, this is my second recording because I went to upload the original recording and somehow the files magically disappeared. I thought I had already uploaded it and I deleted the files accidentally from my camera roll on my computer. Anyway, long story. So this is the February box. It's called Everlasting Embrace, a captivating and versatile collection that harmoniously blends the enchanting colors of love, adoration, and tenderness. This bundle embodies the spirit of blossoming romance. That sounds familiar, with check glass in tulips, hearts, and the delicate contour of storm duos. The palette includes elements of passionate red to delicate pink, dreamy violet, and regal purple. Interesting. So let me flip this over, and here's what we have. I'm just going to pull them out. So we have check round beads in ruby 8mm, and it's a pack of 20. So those will be very handy and they're lovely. Potomac crystal bicones in 2mm amethyst. I'm not going to take all these out of the bag. You've seen bicones before. They're crystal and they're sparkly. We have some beautiful little pink hearts, and I have some check glass hearts, but I don't think I have this particular color. I mostly have the translucent ones, and I think I have some white. Opaque but not pink, so that's pretty. 20 each of check glass heart beads in that opaque pink. These are quad bow beads in white lila luster, 6 by 15mm. I have 10 of them in this bag. See, I've labeled the bags already. Quad bow beads. They're pretty. These are PC Navette's white opal. They're a crystal in a two-hole, um, sort of like a spacer bead, or you could use it as a focal, however you want. And the opal changes color. They're very pretty. Very pretty. I'll have to figure out what I want to do with those because I would like to use those for February. You will see this on the 11th, which is what they asked us to hold off doing. Okay, so these are check star beads in fuchsia. I love fuchsia. It's a beautiful color. They're 8mm stars. They're small, and they are beads. And then we have some wire guardians. I use these quite a lot, 4.5 by 4mm, and you get 50 in there. They're silver plated, premium 99.9%. I'm not going to read you all the numbers off the bags. You can just go to their website. I will link that down below, by the way. Please use that link if you'd like to shop there for anything, the treasure box or any goodies. Anything that has a number on it is available on their website. Some of the things like this one say treasure box, meaning they might not have that color, they might not carry the stars anymore, or something. Okay, Potomac Beads Bail, 9mm and silver plated, and you get 5 of those. Those are nice bails, actually. I just used a bail and a necklace for with the January box. Ooh, these are pretty. And there's 15 in here. These are check tulip beads. I'll open these for you. They're red, transparent with gold on them. Tulip beads. I haven't used these before. I think I have some, but I've never used them. I think I have many, if I have any. Most of the flowers I get are like those bell flowers or the petals, but there's something different. Tulip beads. We have some more seed beads. These look like Ado. Yep, Ado Mayuki seed beads in silver lined flame red AB. Let's look at them because sometimes in the tube the color is deceiving. These are gorgeous. They do look like a flame. They have like a little bit of an orangey hint and the pink or fuchsia. They're really, yeah, they're a little more red than the fuchsia. Um, but really pretty. They're gorgeous. I like 8-0. They're not so tiny that these old eyes can't see them. And they make nice spacer beads if you don't do bead weaving. You know, they're not too little. They have a place. They're my favorite size of seed bead, actually. 11 O's have their place too, and 15 O's as well. Let me put all the findings back here. So gorgeous. And let's see. Oh, we have a strand of clear faceted. These look like 10 millimeter. Let's see if they say on here. Yes, check faceted rounds 10 millimeter. I got clear and there are 19 on my strand. They can be used for so many different things, right? We also have a strand of, and I've had this color before. It's kind of interesting. It's like copper and bronze and some black in it and a little bit of silver. It's like multi-metallic almost, but they're small. Are they 3 millimeter? Yeah, check faceted rounds 3 millimeter. And they're sort of purpley, coppery, black, silver, a lot of different colors going on in there. They're gorgeous. I like that. They're unique. Unique. We got some check glass 2-hole tile beads mine are in violet, and we got 8 of them. That's enough for like a bracelet or something. I might actually try and use them for a quick little bracelet or something this time. I have to see. I might have to mix them with some other ones. I can't remember if we got any of these earlier, like last year when they first started doing the treasure box, or not. Let's put them here. Then these are, oh, these are gorgeous. Check glass boho flower. This is treasure box only. See, it's an advantage of getting the treasure box. Aren't these pretty? Oh my gosh, I love the color. You know, one of the flowers I always wanted to plant, but I never seem to either be able to find it when I'm looking for it or whatever, is blue delphinium. I'm going to have to look it up online and figure out when to plant it and stuff like that. I've always wanted blue delphinium. I just think it's gorgeous. And this doesn't look like the actual flower, but the color reminded me of it, the inner color. It's like a dark purple around the edge with like a lilac in the center. And there's 6 of those. Excuse me. They're gorgeous. I'm so sorry. Hang on. We have 2 other strands. We have a clear amethyst color in I think it's a 6 millimeter round. Trying to find them on my list. Yes, and I don't remember how many's on there, sorry. And then another strand of faceted rounds in 3 millimeter. There's 2 colors. So mine is this one and the transparent violet or amethyst color. Sparkly. They're very sparkly, both of them. They're tiny, but they're sparkly. Then we have 2 pair of ear wires. And simple ball 20 by 10.5 millimeter 21 gauge. Yeah, always can use them. Pearls in lavender 6 millimeter, a whole 16-inch strand of these. And they're beautiful. I love I'm glad we got a little bit larger pearls because I like to use them too, other than just the 4 millimeter. So they're gorgeous. I wasn't going to take everything out, right? But they call them lavender, but they are, but my lighting is showing them off more as white, but they're very pale lavender. Not a whole lot of color on them. See? That's okay with me. More of a neutral. Okay, this is a gemstone, purple crazy lace round beads, 6 millimeter. I got 30 of them. show you what they look like better. I'm sure these are dyed to get this color. Aren't they pretty? Ooh, I love those. Do these go with, oh, they do. Those go with those. Yeah, interesting. Love those gemstones. Ooh, we got check flower design ovals, blue with silver. These are something different. Something different. Love those too. Aren't they gorgeous? And they're 20 by 16 millimeter. Treasure box only. Double-sided. Love those. Yep, 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 yep. Those and those. That might be too much though, huh? Too many flowers in one thing. But I'll definitely use those. So not everything would go exactly together, I don't think. Now these are Storm Duo beads. Lila Vega Luster. What was this color called? White Lila Luster. And there's a big difference in the color. These are 2-hole. Oops. Okay, so these have this shape. I have seen these before. And the drill holes go through the side. So these are more for like bead weaving or spacers or something you could use them for. But the holes are pretty small. You're going to have to use needle and thread. They're a pretty color. I like that. I think that's it, guys. So yeah, that is the Everlasting Embrace February 2024 treasure box from Potomac Beads. I'm dropping them everywhere. Ah, don't lose your Storm Duos. A good selection of those, and I don't believe I've ever made anything with these, so maybe if I have enough time, I'll give it a try. They're a pretty color. I like the color of them. And we got lots of thread in past boxes, so yay. All right, everyone, that is what we have for February. I can't wait to get started making with it, so come back sometime after the 11th of February, probably closer to, closer to the end of the month, the 3rd or 4th week. Not the week of the 11th, which is tomorrow is the 11th, when I'm recording this on the 10th for the second time. So yeah, do come back and see what I've made. And I hope you enjoyed. Take care. Hugs, love, and peace.